There is a phenomenon that we know of in our present economic financial world, something that was probably unheard of in the past. Maybe it was there, but it was not very prominent. Something what is called inflation. What it means is that the whatever $1 million last year are not the same $1 million of this year. The purchasing power has changed, right? The amount of goods and services that you could purchase last year, you cannot purchase with the same nominal face value of the amount. This is a fact. Now, if you go by the hadith that's mentioned, when you give a loan of gold, take back the very same gold, the same quality, the same weight. Because if you give anything more or less, that's what riba is. So it really is important that we should decide that when there is inflation, what exactly should a borrower return? If he returns the same face value, is it what the Almighty is expecting justice to be done in the arrangement? Is that what's going to be satisfied? Well, the answer is certainly not. So, what is the way out? I'm not talking about the details. Obviously, the details have to be worked out by the experts. But the fact of the matter is that each time, you see, you are giving loan for somebody to be held down. Well, I think we should not worry about what the person is going to return. Even if the value is less, we should accept it because we are doing it for helping out somebody else. But if you are giving a loan to somebody who is otherwise well off, wealthy, and the amount has to be returned after he is in a position to return it, well, he should return what he had actually borrowed. He should return the purchasing power of what he got to begin with. And that needs to be decided in the contract that you write. And incidentally, immediately after the verses on riba, the next verse, the longest verse of the Quran, verse 282 of Surah Al-Baqarah, mentions the importance of writing a contract, particularly when you are negotiating a debt, a loan. It has to be written. So it has to be clarified as to what exactly is being given. Because this fiat money, these dollars, these rupees, these dirhams, they mean nothing as far as their appearance is concerned, their physical presence is concerned. Why we ask for them, why we are interested in them, because of what they can buy. So if what they can buy changes over time, then in matters of loan, we got to be particular about it. So what I'm saying is, what I'm suggesting is that if we are to come up with a system of borrowing and lending based on justice, equity, it has to be done in a way that we decide at the time of writing contract, the debt contract, that what is being lent is actually a basket of goods and services. And whatever is going to be returned is going to be not the nominal value of the loan, but the real value of what was borrowed.